Hey, adventurous families! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the ultimate guide for traveling with kids. Whether you're heading to a sunny beach, a bustling city, or a serene mountain retreat, these tips will help you navigate family travel like a pro. So grab your snacks and get ready. Let's make your next trip with kids unforgettable. 1. Packing smart. First up, let's talk packing. Create a checklist for everyone in the family to make sure you don't forget any essentials. Pack a separate bag with all the must-haves for the kids, including snacks, entertainment, and comfort items. Don't forget a compact first aid kit. Trust us, it's a lifesaver. 2. Keep kids entertained. Next, let's keep those little minds occupied. Invest in travel-friendly toys, download some educational apps, and bring along a few new books or coloring books to keep the boredom at bay. Create a travel activity bag and surprise them with it during downtime. 3. Plan kid-friendly activities. Plan your itinerary with the kids in mind. Include a mix of attractions that cater to their interests and energy levels. Research kid-friendly spots and activities at your destination, from parks and zoos to interactive museums. Make sure to build in plenty of breaks. 4. Choose accommodations wisely. Look for family-friendly accommodations that offer amenities like kid-friendly pools, play areas, or suites with separate sleeping areas. A comfortable and convenient place to stay can make a big difference in how enjoyable your trip is. 5. Enjoy the journey. Lastly, remember to enjoy the journey. Traveling with kids can be a unique and rewarding experience. Embrace the chaos, cherish the moments, and create lasting memories together. Your positive attitude will set the tone for a great trip. Thanks for tuning in. We hope these tips help make your next family adventure a breeze. If you enjoyed these travel tips, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more family travel guides. Share your favorite travel tips for kids in the comments below, and let us know where you're headed next. Happy travels, and see you in our next video.